myth yung sinasabi niya sa akin. Pero totoo naman ata kasi hindi talaga siya nilalagyan ng salt. Underscore bagoong. What do you call that? Lalamang? Something like that. Baby. Parang ang sarap with rice niyan. Actually, parang naiinsulto siya pag nire-rice mo. Kasi sa sobrang sarap, titipanin mo siya. Gusto mo nila siyang isang ganyan. Anyway, it's so good. And sa sobrang sarap niya dito sa bahay, nakakaubos talaga ako. Nakaubos ako ng 2 jar. Yung jar niya is bigger than this. Nakakaubos ako ng isang jar ng 2 araw. So, pinadalhan niya ako ng isang malaking Tupperware na bilog. You know yung pangluto ng mga dessert na parang may yellow na salad something. Gano'n ka, no? Naubos ko siya in 1 week. And I had to rest from it because I think anything in excess is bad kasi OA naman. Pero hindi talaga siya. It's not maalat like normal bagoong. And it doesn't smell. And believe me, I don't like the smell of normal bagoong. I only like my dad's bagoong. Alamang. Lalamang. Allergic ka. Anyway, you have to go. Ay, dapat nag-TikTok shop nga siya, no? Sorry na, ma'am. Kawawa naman. 84 na siya. Nangangarag na siya. Okay. Dapat TikTok shop ko siya. May yellow basket. Pero for now, I think it's sold out. So, you just need 1 bottle. And I'm telling you, ulam na. Nakakainis. Super sarap. You have to try. I have to tell him to go on TikTok shop. But, medyo mahal siya. Kasi, hindi naman 1,000, mga 500 daw. Pero, wala eh. Siya nagluto eh. 84 years old na yun. 500. Pero wala nang stock. Okay, magtinda ka din sa TikTok para matikman namin. Meron ba akong yellow basket? Hindi ko nga alam paano nag-work sa yellow basket. Nakiki-yellow basket lang. Oh my God, super hot. Rogic, isang truck. Kung bumili ka ng mga 3 bote, worth it. Ubus mo yung isang bote sa 2 araw. Because you eat it as... Hi, Sashis and Script. This is my dad's bagoong. For those of you who just joined. And it is the best. When you're lucky, you get the really chewy... Sorry, nasilaw ako. You get the really chewy taba ng baboy. Kay-chan, diba? Natikman mo na? Sarap. Nakakainis. Nakakaloka siya. Si Kay-chan, na nagda-diet, went to my house, and then, okay, you have to try my dad's bagoong. Ayun na. Napakain ng kanin. Super sarap. Of course, I miss sorsogon. Kaya na kailangan ko mag-work. Huwag mo ng partner ng mangga. Alone? You'll understand na you don't need mangga. You don't even need rice. Sige na rice. Pero damihan mo to kasi sobrang ayaw mo siyang mahaluan ng kahit anong lasa. Sobrang init. Init ngayon, ha? Anyway, I have to go now. Kasi gusto ko siyang namnamin. So, follow my dad's. Siyempre, hindi pwede recipe. Actually, yung recipe na sa YouTube ko na Lintek. Pero, iba yung luto ng daddy ko. You could visit my YouTube channel and it's cooking with my dad. And he was cooking bagoong. But since he's already 84, imagine mo para lutuin niya yan. Ang cute. Pero super sarap kaya sobrang worth it. So, again, go to his Instagram account, Race_bagoong. And it's the vast. Saka hindi siya maalat. Saktong alat lang. Sisimutin ko pa yan. Actually, kaya hindi ko magla-live. I know, Kay-chan. It's the best bagoong of all. Totoo talaga. Kaya gusto ko nang matapos mag-live kasi pati yung gilid-gilid niyan, uubusin ko. Because I'm only allowed to have this every 3 days. Because OA. Made with love pa. Cute. Pawis pa siya. Heart attack na yan Nagka-cancer pa yan. 84, ayaw pa rin tumigil sa pagtrabaho. Am I gonna be shooting after? I have a meeting after this at 6:45. So, nag-nap na ako at nagising ako at nag-crave ako ng bagoong. Wala siyang umay. It's not like the usual bagoong. You know, may mga buo-buong baboy. Whew! Ang sarap. My God. It's the best. Kailangan mo, ano lang kasi may tinik minsan. Hindi. Balat pala yun ng... balat. No. It's from the pepper. May konting pepper siya. Tangay ng pepper. Paubos na siya. So, ito talaga, every bottle counts. It's bagoong. Race Bagoong. Follow him on Instagram. That's the best. Not at all the bagoong that you think it is. It's not the fishy one. Basta. Pwede pa pa-review. When you get the bagoong, and you tag me. It's so good. Ubus na. Bawal na. Hindi na daw pwede ako magbagoong. That's it, pansit. Bawal. Okay, guys. Simot. That is my treat. This is a different kind of bagoong. I'm telling you. Alright. I'm gonna go. Hindi mataas uric acid ko. In Jesus' name. Okay. Take care. Bye. Don't forget. Race_bagoong is the vest made by my dad. He's 84 years old. It's currently sold out on his Instagram, but hindi siya sumasagot, so ibig sabihin nagluluto pa siya. At para masulit natin ang kanyang efforts, let's all grab a bottle of his bagoong. Because sobrang sarap. Pag natry nyo naman, gets nyo. Okay guys, Gots to Boogie!